You ready, Kaylin?
Oh, she does probably like it because she can make a mess. You only like it when Uncle Mike throws it.
I know.
Uncle Mike needs some more leaves.
I'm running out.
He's so cute.
You ready? Here they come.
You having a good time?
Yeah.
Maybe you can jump in piles of them.
I know.
Yeah.
Who's having more fun, Kaylin
Or Mike.
or Mike?
It's questionable.
I think I am.
So you think you can stay till tomorrow?
Yeah, I think we are.